Hi everybody, it's Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters. Happy Saturday, so glad you're here. Today I have a I think it's 62. I left my notes over there, but it'll be in this description. But it's an Olympia SM7 in pink. We didn't paint it. This is the original color. It just came in 3 colors, pink, blue, and white. And the pink is the hardest to find. So we were thrilled to get our hands on this baby, and it is in great condition. So it's almost pristine. There's just some faint wear right here. And the reason I'm pointing it out is because it's so faint, it doesn't come out in the photos. And then also a teeny tiny spot right here. It's not scratched or anything. I think it's just like worn or something, but you can't hardly even see it. You have to be in the right light to see it. It's that faint. And so I don't even want to mention it because I don't want to mar your idea of how beautiful this machine is. But also I don't want you to get it and go, hey, there's just a little bit of, and but like I said, it's so hard to see. You actually have to be in natural light really to see it. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at how to use this, and then we're gonna type on it. Wow, this guy is great. Look how pretty. Okay, back here we've got there's a button right here. Press that, and it's supposed to release the paper holder. It released it the other day, so maybe I have that up or something. Then you just snap it back down. Love it's a nice solid plastic ruler back here. It's not cracked or anything like that. It's in great condition. Your margins, so you just squeeze and drag your margins nice and smooth. This feels like it's brand new. Okay, here's your paper guide. Right here's your margin release. And by the way, go ahead and lock that. This is a carriage lock. All the Olympias have a carriage lock right here. And so if you were trying to move your carriage, you can't. So make sure you first push down to unlock your carriage lock. And then you can move the carriage by pressing down, and it's on either side. Press down, nice little bell, and voila. Paper release on the right side. This right here is your all tab clear. So if you push it down like that, it clears all your tabs. On the left side is your line selector. It's 1, 2, or 3 lines. And then if you push it all the way up to where you see the dot, then it's not gonna advance at all. It's kind of like a, I don't know, return lock or something. I don't know what you wanna call it. Okay, so now that we have the carriage released, we lift up the carriage. Let's move the carriage to the right or to the left. And now we're gonna pop this top off so we can take a look at the ribbon. Now to take the Olympia top, the SM7, this top off, this whole pink piece is gonna pop right off. And so I kind of put my thumbs down on this kind of this grooved area and then pull. You'll hear it unsnap. I pull forward and voila. Okay, gosh, you guys, it is so clean. Usually we can see a little bit of rusting or, you know, bits of pet hair or eraser, which obviously we always try to clean out. But this is just so beautiful on the inside. It's like they kept this covered, which you should always keep your typewriter covered. And it looks brand new. Okay, so we put a universal ribbon on this. And when it's time to change it out, this has some bars, spring-loaded bars holding it. And there's just this little lever or metal piece right here, and you just push back on it. You pull back those bars, and then you can just pop those ribbons off. When you do change it out, please pay attention to how it is threaded. Please use or reference the images on the product listing. The link is in the description below so that you know how to thread your ribbon. Make sure black on top, red on bottom. These little double-barreled pieces right here, these guide wires, not only are they a guide, but they're also your ribbon reversal. Pa-pum, either side. So you need to reverse the direction of your ribbon because there's a lot of ink in that ribbon. So when you get to the end of the ribbon, it's not the end of the ink. reverse the direction. You're gonna end up reversing this direction probably 40, 50 times before you need to change out the ribbon. Okay, right here, this is just your touch control. Determines how hard these type bars are gonna strike your paper. All right, let's go ahead and put this back on. And let me just show you really quick. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see what you guys see. Here we go. Okay, see this grooved area right here? It's on both sides, and there's a metal knob that sticks out on each side, and you need to put it on that and fold it down. So let's go ahead and line that up. Line it up. Pop it down. Voila. Okay, let's load some paper and get to typing. All right, let's move this guy forward a bit. And then you just take paper, you set it right there. No need to press it down in there. Just set it, turn the handle. Remember to pull the metal bar up. And I can see I have it a little bit crooked, just a hair. So I'm gonna pull this forward, line it up better, re-engage, and now we can do our typing. You can see I was typing earlier. Okay, so, oh, and it tells me 1962. Okay, there's no number 1, so use the lowercase l, 1962. Olympia SM7. Lovely. Oh my goodness, y'all. This feels amazing. Okay, let's see if there's any tabs set. I don't think so, because I cleared it. So let's set a tab. Let's do one right here. And your tab sets right here. Set, clear. All right. So it's set that tab. And there we go. Shift lock, we'll do the symbols. Did I skip a line? I think I did. I did skip a line. Okay. Let's, we'll just do a flip-flop here. Let's go back up and do this one now. Gosh, this looks so, the font is so clear. All right, let's do some typing. Oh, I can just see somebody typing away a novel or something like that. Very nice. Love how it feels. Okay, so let's do red. And this time you'll hear that ding, which tells you you're at the end of the line and you need to go to the next line. But this time I'm gonna go past the bell, and so that the carriage will eventually stop, and I'll just show you where the margin release is. Okay, I'm gonna keep going up. So now you can't. Once you hit that final margin, it's gonna stop on you. So right here is MR, margin release. Oops, 2 keys at once doesn't work. So then you could finish a word or a thought if you wanted. Again, 2 keys at once, I don't advise. Okay, backspace right here. Backspace again. So when you make a mistake when typing, you backspace, but remember, backspace does not erase. It just backspaces. And so you just type over. My B now becomes a G, or you can X it out. Look at my last video. I had to X out an entire line because I kept messing up. Need to finish my word, margin release. Boom. Voila. So, woohoo. I love this typewriter. One thing I've noticed on this one, which I haven't seen before, is the spacing between the letters is a little bit further. I know it's hard to tell, but I just kind of notice it a little bit further than I've noticed in others, and I like that because it's so easy to read. So this is going to be great for active writers. This is not meant to look pretty on a shelf. This is meant to be used. It's in almost pristine condition. The only reason I'm not saying pristine is because I told you it has this little spots of wear, like right here, or just fading. I don't know what it is, but otherwise this is pristine. It is so clear, so clean, that's so smooth. This gets an A+++. The price is going to reflect that. This is going to be a special typewriter. It's going to be for somebody who's looking for something that when they're doing their book writing, their poetry or whatever, they want to have that a very special machine that is set aside for that. It's meant to be used. It's in excellent condition. Somebody's gonna love this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you. Those of you that have an SM7, I hope you're enjoying your SM7. Thanks so much for watching. You all have a great day.